Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you that how can you download Windows 8.1 disk image ISO file from Microsoft's official website. You have to go to any browser, then you have to search Windows 8 ISO. Then you have to just click on link of Microsoft's official website. Then scroll down slightly. Then in option where it is written then select edition, you have to click on this and you have to select Windows 8.1, then hit on confirm. Then here we have option to select products language. You can select it according to your convenience. For my convenience I am going to select English International, then hit on confirm again. Then here we have two option to download, 64-bit download and 32-bit download. People having processor which is 64-bit based processor can download both 32-bit and 64-bit, but to people who have 32-bit based processor only can download 32-bit. So I have 64-bit based processor, so I'm going to download 64-bit. So I will click on this and you can see here download has been started.